Welcome to Module 17. We're just about to head into Trimester 3, so Module 17 is actually part of your Trimester 3 grade, so we'll start out that way. So in Module 15, you were introduced to a little bit about artificial intelligence and about the chatbot, and we talked about ELIZA and those things. And then in the last module, in Module 16, you learned more about machine learning, that part of AI and how that works. And then the hands-on project, which is the machine learning project you're working on, that will end up in the Scratch thing, is all part of that machine learning. Now that Scratch project, hopefully you're to the point where you're actually working in Scratch, or you will be at this point. You've got all your buckets set up and you've tested your chatbot, and you understand that the more data that you have in there, the more options you have in each of those buckets, is going to give you better results for your chatbot. And that's really the main part I wanted you to learn about machine learning. The more data, the much better the results. And you'll learn a lot more about that as you read the chapters here in Module 17. Now, I hope you're watching this video soon enough, because, and I'm going to send you an email as well. There is a lot of information in this module. These few pages and the videos are very, very important for you to watch. Don't sit down the day before it's due and try to watch all of them in a row. It's way too much information and it's going to just fry your brain. So please space it out and really appreciate this information. It's so crucial and it's so important for you to understand the ethical part of artificial intelligence. It's the biggest challenge that your generation is going to have, without a doubt. So please take your time with each page and each video. Focus on it. If you lose your focus, close it, walk away, do something else, and then come back. It's really, really important. If you don't watch them and you don't read it, I won't know. This is for you. I put it out there for you to learn. It's really, really important, and it's good stuff. So that being said, please go through that best you can. You'll be expected to do a little bit of an essay on what you learned about artificial intelligence, and I would love you to refer back to these things in the videos that you watched, just so that I know that you watched them. They're really fabulous. And then at the end of the second part of this module, you'll finish up your chatbot, your Scratch project. You have to make a screencast of it because I can't get in the back end to see what you've done. It's not that system is not set up so that I can see the other end. So you'll have to do a screencast showing me, walking through your buckets and how you figured it out and what your challenges were. All that information is on that last page. So unfortunately, this is actually a pretty involved, kind of long module. Please space it out. The way things are this year, I know everybody is having challenges. Honestly, I'm having challenges as well as anybody else, keeping things on track and keeping things together. Please do the best you can with this. If you absolutely can't get to it or you need an extension, you know I'm good with that. I'm happy to give you extensions. I just don't want you to get too piled up on the other end. So if you can't finish things, please let me know. I'm happy to work with you. I totally understand when other things come up, especially these days. I may not be so patient next year. Anyway, that being said. So good. Enjoy. Do your best. After this module, we're going to have another kind of fun module, and we'll see how that goes. Actually, if everybody drags this one out too long, we may skip part of that, because that's going to be augmented reality, which is really fun and really creative, and I'd love you to get a chance to do that, because after that we go into Python, and that's serious programming for the rest of the, excuse the dog, for the rest of the trimester. So enjoy, and let me know if there's any questions or problems.